These bloody severed finger hot dogs were sure to be a hit at your Halloween party. They're gross and yet so amazing all at the same time. If you're having a Halloween party, you must make these. They are so simple to make and they will be a gross party hit for sure. You need hot dogs, buns, and ketchup. To make these bloody finger hot dogs, start with a large pot of water boiling on your stove. Create the fingernails and knuckles using a knife. To make the fingernail, slice 2 sides of the fingernail, then straight across the top. Then make a slight curved slice on the bottom nail bed. Next, take your knife and carefully slice a thin fingernail piece off the top. To make the knuckles, cut 1 slit along the middle of the hot dog and 2 crescent slits directly above and below. Then halfway between the knuckle and the new nail, make 2 crescent slits. 2 more crescent-shaped slits at the very bottom will complete the look. Boil the hot dogs for 4 to 5 minutes. Once done, add them to a bun and add some ketchup to the end of the fingers and smear more on the inside of the bun. Thanks for watching and make sure to like and subscribe.